Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my natural curly hair routine. My curly hair routine has become so much faster because of the Renew Aloe Collection by Herbal Essence. It's honestly been a major game changer. Before I add shampoo, I first like to saturate my hair in warm water. I have a low porosity hair, so the warm water helps the cuticles open up a bit. During quarantine, I tossed out all of my hair products after a serious declutter of my cabinets, and I did it because none of the products were sparking joy for my hair. My goal going forward has been to be more conscious of what I'm putting in my hair and also be more present with the application. The Renew collection falls right in line with my goals because it's free of parabens, colorants, and dyes.
It's also PETA cruelty-free and made with hand-picked sustainably harvested aloe that is endorsed by the Kew Royal Botanical Gardens.
If you're not familiar with Kew, they're a world-leading expert celebrating 260 years of plant science. I applied the shampoo to my scalp and now I'm scrubbing it in to remove all the product buildup, sebum, and pollution it's collected over the week. The only way my curls are going to pop is if I thoroughly cleanse away everything holding it back from greatness. A clean scalp is a healthy scalp, which is an environment that promotes thriving hair, okay? Before quarantine, I was one of those girls that quickly lathered and rinsed, not even realizing how ineffective that was. All the oil and butters I was using were not getting washed out of my hair all the way, which left my hair feeling and looking really stiff. And who has time for that? The biggest thing I noticed about the Renew Aloe Collection is how great of a job it does at detangling my curly hair at both the shampoo and conditioning stage. I've never been able to run my fingers through my hair this easily after one round of shampoo. Here I am going into my second round of shampoo. I'm a double cleanse girl all around, so I always shampoo my hair twice. Comment below and let me know how many rounds of shampoo is in your curly hair routine. It's time for conditioner. You do not actually need to pour out this much. I'm just being extra. As I'm applying the conditioner to my hair, starting mid-shaft and working it down towards my ends, I cannot get over how good this collection smells. The tropical mango scent always makes me feel happy, which has me taking my time and being more gentle with my hair so I can just relish in the scent longer. I always rinse my hair in cold water to close up my cuticles to lock back in that moisture. So if you're not doing that, definitely try it out. Once the conditioner is rinsed out, I wring out the excess water and follow up with the argan oil and aloe hair mask. I use a hair mask weekly. This one is great for damaged and frizzy hair. I recently got some heat damage on a section of my hair. The heat damage is a result of flat ironing my hair when it was dirty. I know I never do that and I know better, but it happens. So I'm not quite ready to cut off the damaged part. So the argan oil and aloe hair mask has been a saving grace at treating that section of my hair. Even though my hair is fully detangled, I'm still going to go in with a brush to make sure the hair mask is evenly distributed on every strand. It's very easy to miss a section doing it by hand, and I can't have the front of my hair all beautiful and luscious and then the back just doing its own thing. No ma'am, I need it all to be on the same page in formation. Even this process of brushing my strands used to take forever, and I'd get so much fallout, it looked so bad. As you can see, my hair is very bouncy and the curls just pop when my brush releases it. After I brush out every strand of my hair, I give myself a nice scalp massage while speaking positive affirmations into my crown. I'll say things like, I have strong long hair, I have a healthy scalp that promotes hair growth, I have full edges. Whatever comes to mind, I'm claiming it. My hair routine has become a favorite time for me where I can just practice being present. It's like a moment of stillness where I can focus solely on nourishing my hair. As I mentioned earlier, I have low porosity hair. Normally, I pair my hair mask with a heated cap to help my hair absorb the ingredients. I've done this with the argan oil and aloe hair mask and my curls turned out amazing. But I also tested it without my heated cap and the results for me were the same, which speaks volumes for this hair mask. Prior to using the BioRenew Aloe Collection by Herbal Essence, I would do a twist out to achieve a defined curly bob because I couldn't get my hair to not look like a frizzy, unshaped mess when it dried. I've tried using gel to bind my curls, but I didn't like that method because it made my hair dry and really crunchy, and it would also leave a white residue. But I love how my curls look when I use the Mango and Aloe Curl Cream. It does an amazing job of defining them. When I apply this on wet hair, it helps my hair dry smooth with lots of shine and with a little spring in its step. Or a lot. I'm applying the curl cream from mid-strand down to my ends. My hair is fully detangled, so this step is taking me no time at all. Now that I have the product all over my hair, I'm just poofing my hair out while shaping it into a curly bob with the side part. Sometimes I'll get carried away with this and my hair will dry before I'm finished, which is okay because the curl cream easily reactivates by adding a little water to your hair. And this step also works perfect on day-old or 2-day-old curly hair. To wrap things up, I'm brushing down my baby hair. I'm doing this without edge control, gel, or additional curl cream. Nothing besides what's already in my hair. Brushing down my baby hairs is my favorite part, you know? The added swoop just elevates the look. Yes, queen. Look at that shape, girl. Yes, you look good, sis. Work it out. This is the face of a girl that's happy with her hair. Look at that end result. Okay, she's ready to go, honey. And that's it, guys. That is how I got this cute little curly bob going on. I'm so happy, honestly. You guys, the Mango and Aloe Curl Cream, the Argan Oil and Aloe Hair Mask, total vibe. Both of them together, I promise your curls will love you. Bye.